owner daw siya ng sarili niyang product na ang pangalan ay Not So Cheap, which is malunggay chips. So he wants us to know that he's in a pioneering stage. Baka pwedeng makahingi ng advice on how to maximize and leverage yung kanyang connection.
Right. So here's the problem with kasi what I noticed with most business owners, the questions are general. I would consider it as a general question. No? So the goal is to get connections. Tama? Yeah, I want to cover that kasi he talked about the connections. No? So in growing, how many of you here want to grow your connections? Okay, can you give me a number 1 in the chat if you want to grow your connections? Yeah. So, if you want to grow your connections, the easiest way is to give value to others. Okay, what this means is, akala kasi natin, gusto ko mag-connection kasi para I can, take away value from other people. Pero if you're someone like that, sino ba gusto makipag-connect sa'yo? He gets mo. But if you're somebody na taga-bigay ka ng value, you give support, no? And even if wala ka pang value mabigay, offer your time, offer your service. Ibig sabihin, let's say you look up to someone, no? And that somebody, kumbaga, find a way to serve that person, no? To serve that company, to serve the people that you want to connect with. Amazingly, what's gonna happen when you start serving, people will just come up to you and ask, okay, how can I support you back? So, yeah, that's the secret to connections.
Yeah. In other words, you help first, give value first before you ask people to help you, di ba?
Yeah.